Change in today's world does not happen through individual leaders acting on their own. Change, especially complex change, happens with teams of people collaborating for a shared vision, goals and actions. Hi everyone, it's Yoli Ench here from Change Agent Academy, and for today's Purpose Fund Friday, I will be sharing a leadership model that I present to not-for-profits and social enterprises called a team of teams. Within a team of teams organizations are teams that come together around specific goals and collectively create a community with the opportunity to create cross-functional teams, those types of teams that work across different functions of your organization. These teams can be permanent or temporary, and they can be made up of volunteers or staff or even consultants or members of the community. Now, of course, what's most important is to recognize that you need a team of leaders to actually guide each of these teams. So each team needs to be developed individually and collectively to improve connection, performance, and impact. So within a not-for-profit or a social enterprise, these teams could include your board of directors, subcommittees that report to your board, staff as a whole of a team within small organizations, or with larger organizations, it could be many teams of staff. It could be teams of volunteers working on particular projects. It could be working parties that actually report to your board of directors. It could be project teams working across your organizations. So teams could be many different types within your organizations that interact within your community, your members, and other stakeholders of your organization. Now, Bill Drayton, the founder of international social enterprise Ashoka, actually introduced the teams of teams model with his staff. He designed this approach to leverage the strengths of diverse teams operating independently yet cohesively, so they could respond quickly and effectively to emerging challenges and opportunities. So let's explore how you can build a team of team using Bill Drayton's methods. So his core principles I've created into the acronym PACE. P is for purpose-driven. So each team aligns with a shared vision and mission, ensuring coherence and direction across the organization. A is for adaptability. So the structure needs to be flexible, showing and allowing teams to reconfigure. So you might have one team working on one project, and then they disband, and then they can work on another project. And they need to be able to adapt quickly to changing circumstances. C is for collaborations. So teams operate with a degree of interdependence. And to be able to do this, they need to be able to share information, resources, and their expertise and skills. E is for empowerment. Individuals at all levels of your organizations are empowered to take initiative and make decisions to foster a sense of ownership and accountability. So then let's look at 7 steps that you can take to build this team of teams within your organization. Step 1 is to define a clear vision and mission of your organization. And this will enable you to align your multiple teams, sharing a compelling vision and mission that resonates with all the members of the organization. And also encourage each team to create their goals and objectives in that team that align with the strategic direction. Step 2, Encourage a culture of trust and empowerment. So that means, as leaders, create an environment where your team members feel confident and empowered to take risks, to innovate, to contribute from their strengths and ideas. Encourage open communication, mutual respect, value their contribution, and provide opportunities for professional growth. The third step is autonomous but interconnected teams. So provide opportunities for each team to operate with a level of autonomy, make their own decisions, and drive initiatives that they develop themselves. However, make sure that these teams also remain connected and collaborate and share those resources with other teams within your organizations. This balance of independence, where they work themselves, and then interdependence is critical for the model's success. So to assist this approach is make sure that you give each team clear guidelines and boundaries to operate independently. So step 4, create flexible structures and processes. Rigid structures and processes can stifle innovation and responsiveness. So instead, you could actually consider adopting a flexible framework, and that's where work streams assist, that allow teams to adapt and evolve and collaborate across work functions. It also means that work of your organization is created by those work streams rather than position descriptions. For some organizations I've worked with, this has been a game changer. It really has initiated that mindset and shift in how they can develop their organization. Step 5 is encourage continuous learning and development. So a team of teams thrives on continuous learning. Therefore, promote a growth mindset and curiosity, where team members are encouraged to learn from their successes and their failures. Make sure you offer training and mentorship and resources that support this ongoing professional growth. Now, make sure that includes volunteers as well as staff. Step 6, leverage technology for connection and collaboration. Of course, technology plays a role in ongoing communication and collaboration across all of your teams. Use digital tools and platforms for information sharing, for virtual meetings within and across teams, and of course, collaborative project management. In our organisation, we use Trello as our project management platforms and the Kanban cards, and then Google Drive for our information sharing and virtual meetings. So, what technologies do you use in your organisation? So step 7 is measure and celebrate success. Make sure you regularly measure the performance and impact of teams using both quantitative and qualitative data. And with that, you want to measure their collaboration as well as the impact that they make. So as well as all of these measures, we need to celebrate success, both big and small, to reinforce the value of everyone's contribution. And the beauty of that is that that maintains their motivation. It ensures that they are being recognized. Of course, recognizing achievements of your team members fosters a positive and supportive culture, and this drives their individual engagement and commitment. In the resource, make sure you read The 3 challenges you are likely to face in developing your team of teams, along with the possible solutions. Building a team of teams aligned with Bill Drayton's model offers a transformative approach to your organization's structure and leadership. By empowering team members and fostering collaboration, your organization is more likely to innovate, react and adapt quickly, and achieve goals and impact with greatness. The Team of Teams model provides leaders of not-for-profits and social enterprises to drive significant value and create a resilient, future-ready organization. Bye for now.